wish there was some beans in this. Yeah, I do. I wish there was beans in it.
Keep going down.
It's good. But I wish there was beans.
No beans. Completely beanless.
Try it.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Yeah, this is good. I like the spices. What is that?
Moroccan stuff. I saw there was fenugreek on there. I'll put up the ingredients here in a minute. You know what? I think it's going to be really good on that pita.
Yep. Yeah, you should probably pick it up and taco it.
Yeah. So we're gonna taco this. Oh, it's making a mess already. It's too wet.
Is it better that way?
It is better with the pita. But the pita's all soggy now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fail. I like your background.